Have you been dreaming of starting your own business, but you just don't think that it's possible because you don't have money? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can apply for a $100,000 grant. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. Now, I'm talking about free money that you're not paying back. And today's grant is powered by Peter Thiel. Yes, so one of the co-founders of PayPal that has worked previously with Elon Musk. But without further ado, if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourself in comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much from the depth of my heart. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for always telling your friends to tell a friend about these grants that I share with you guys on my channel. So please, if you're seeing me for the very first time, maybe also go ahead and introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer on this channel. I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays. Without further ado, let's get right into today's business. So come with me. Let's go. Let's go.
Mariam Adepaju.
So bestie, do you know that you can apply for a $100,000 grant? And this grant was founded by technology entrepreneur and investor Peter Thiel in 2011. Peter Thiel Fellowship is a 2-year program for young people who want to build new things. Thiel Fellows skip or stop out of college to receive a $100,000 grant and support from the Thiel Foundation network of founders, investors, and scientists. Peter Andreas Thiel, just so you know, is an American entrepreneur. He's also a venture capitalist and a political activist, a co-founder of PayPal, yes, Palantir Technologies, and Founder Fund. He was actually the first outside investor in Facebook, yes. He was also a co-owner of Facebook at some point. So in case you're wondering, how did Elon Musk and Peter Thiel, how did they meet? Or how did Elon Musk jump into the equation? So guys, they actually met in the early days of PayPal. Yes, Elon Musk was working on his online bank, X.com, and Peter Thiel and Max Levchin were also working in the same building, and they were trying to build their online bank, their company called Confinity at the time. So that was how they met, and today, Peter Thiel is giving away a $100,000 grant to help you kickstart your idea to become a reality. So please go ahead and apply for this grant as quickly as possible. I'm going to be sharing some myths that people have towards grants. So let's go ahead and demystify these common myths. Guys, there are a lot of misunderstandings that come with grants for small businesses, and today I'm here to clarify the most common ones for you. The first one here is the business with the largest need is most likely going to get a grant. The truth is, grants are actually usually awarded to businesses that will most likely fulfill the grant agency's goals. So whatever you do has to be in line with the grantors or the organization's goals, not just the ones that need it the most. Grantors look at credibility, a clear plan for the funds, and commitments to the business goals that is above the financial need. Yes, if you're committed to your business goals, yes, you can apply. And how can you apply for this business grant? You got to work smart and hard. Yeah. You need to fill an individual grant application, do what every job applicant does, create a resume for your business that actually outlines your answers to the common questions that business grant givers ask of their applicants. So while grants are technically free money, it doesn't mean that it comes without hard work on your own part. Some applications will vary based on what is required. For example, a local government grant will require an explanation of how your business's growth and development will benefit the local community, if that makes sense. How they will benefit the local commerce directly. While a grant from a private company, like maybe FedEx grants, may require a persuasive video. You may need to shoot a 1-minute video. And here are some common details that you may need to provide when you're applying for a business grant. You might need to show how long you've been in business, the number of employees that you have, monthly or annual revenue, how will the funds be used, your business elevator pitch, your EIN, employer's identification number, your social media handles. And the truth is, who would give you money if you don't know what to do with it? You need to know exactly what you would do with these funds. You also need to submit a photo of you and a professional. Yes, they'll need a professional photo. It's going to go a long way, especially for companies that are looking to use your image on their own website. Yes, when they are announcing the winners. You also need a business plan. So you should already have one. And if you don't have, you can talk to an SBDC advisor or your own accountant. They can help you figure out the numbers, projections, and the stats to reflect the current health of your own business and where you can go, down the road. You should already have one business plan. But if you don't have it, you can also talk to an SBDC advisor or your own accountant. So we can help you figure out the numbers, projections, and statistics that reflect the current health of your business and where you can go. Guys, here are some things you need to avoid if you want to win grants. Guys, there are several several snags that you can run into when you're applying for a business grant. So let's look at the most common mistakes and how to help you avoid them. Number one, not paying attention to instructions. It is extremely common but also simple to fix when you follow the instructions exactly, because when you're not following the instructions can instantly remove you from the running. Number two, not reading the funder's guidelines. You need to know what exactly the purpose of the grant is, not just the general idea. For example, you need to understand that the grantor wants the fund to fund businesses owned by minority women rather than underserved communities in general. So making spelling mistakes is something else that you need to take a look at. It's important to proofread your grant applications to make sure that there are no spelling or grammatical errors. And number next is not asking for a specific amount. You should know how much you need. If you need $10,000, if you need $50,000 or $100,000, state it. Yes, include how much you need in your application. And now the deadline. You have to. Many grantors refuse to accept applications after the deadline passes, so make sure that you get yours in early. Now, here are some differences between business grants and loans. Both of them actually help you get money for your business. Grants and loans, they help you get money for your business, but they are different in the sense that the difference between a grant and a loan is that one requires repayment. Loan requires repayment. You have to pay back the money that you borrowed, but grants do not need to be paid back. Grants can be awarded by, governments, departments, trust corporations, individuals, businesses, educational institutions, or even non-profit. Grants can be notoriously difficult to get because it's free money and so many people are applying for it. So if you apply for funding and you're rejected, you can consider other financing options, which also includes business credit cards. Here are some things that you need to know about the differences between grants and loans. Grants are taxable income. Yes, the IRS generally considers business grants as income for tax purposes. So how your business is structured and how you report your income to the IRS will determine what impact this is going to have on your income tax. But generally, expect that a chunk of that money will go to Uncle Sam. Go ahead and you can head off this potential business grants downside by planning. Yes, plan ahead, talk to your accountant or your tax professional. Just make sure that you stay safe and dot all your I's and cross all your T's. Loans, however, are not considered income in the eyes of the IRS. Yes, we call it risk assets. So you pay interest on loans, and grants are actually free money, and you don't need to pay back. But for loans, you have to pay back, and you also pay interest on those loans. So depending on the type of business financing, you can face APRs anywhere from 5% to 150%, depending on your personal and business credit scores, your cash flow, your years in business, your collateral, and other factors. Grants will not help you build business credits, yes, but it is one of the things that frustrates borrowers of all sorts. It takes credit to build credit. So building a credit history with the major commercial credit reporting bureaus, maybe Experian, Equifax, Dun & Bradstreet, they require a timeline of some sort. So while a business grant has nothing, it's free money. No one cares. No one is going to pull your credit report before they give you grants. Business grants is not also reported to any person or business credit reporting agencies, unlike loans. Grants are a direct competition. People compete for the grants, but loans, nobody is competing. You have to qualify and then they give it to you, right? So loans are not in that scenario. They're not competing with another business to get that same loan. Nobody's competing with that loan with you. No, it's yours and yours alone. Once you qualify, they give it to you. But for grants, that's the pitfall. You are competing with lots and lots of people because it's free money that you don't need to pay back. However, they tend to have a handful of winners. So that's why I always tell you guys to keep applying for grants. You can apply for multiple grants so that you stand a chance to win grants. And on that note, I don't want to make this video too long. If you would like to discuss with me further, you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, then go ahead and join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. Find the join button right next to the subscribe button, or you can find the link to my Patreon in my description. And if you're new here, you've not introduced yourselves, please do that right now. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And yes, if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're interested in my free $100 cash gift, add 50 people to my Telegram community. Come back to this video and let me know, and we'll take it to the next step. All right, take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now.
Mariam Adepaju.